People are calling ClaudHub a money machine, but after testing it, I found something they're not telling you. Most of these AI tools don't fail, people just use them completely wrong. If you're thinking about buying ClaudHub, pause for a second. Because I've seen this pattern again and again, new AI tool launches big income claims, beginners jump in, most of them quit not because the tool is fake, but because they were sold the wrong expectation. In this video, I'm going to give you the real breakdown. No hype. No fake income screenshots. Even if you don't buy this, I'll show you how this method works so you can apply it yourself. ClaudHub is useful, but it's not a shortcut to money. And that's where most people get it wrong. So what is ClaudHub? It's an AI-based platform designed to create content fast, automate tasks, help you build online income systems. But here's the truth, it's not the tool that makes money, it's the system you build with it. And in a minute, I'll show you the exact system most people completely ignore. Let's walk through what actually happens when you use ClaudHub. Step 1, you log in. Step 2, choose a tool or feature. Step 3, enter your idea or prompt. Step 4, AI generates output. Now here's the problem. This is where most people stop. They generate content and expect money. That's not how this works. Content doesn't make money, attention does. Let me show you the real way to use this. Step 1, use ClaudHub for content creation: YouTube scripts, Pinterest pins, Instagram posts. Step 2, choose one traffic platform, not 5, just one. Step 3, add affiliate links. Step 4, build consistency. But here's where things changed, the moment you treat this like a system, not a shortcut. Most beginners think, tool equals money. Reality, tool plus traffic plus consistency equals money. Small diamond free method, no tool. You can literally do the same thing using ChatGPT, free Canva, manual posting. The only difference, time versus speed. Buying tools without knowing how to use them, jumping between strategies, expecting results in 2 to 3 days, not learning traffic. This one mistake alone is why 90% fail, and later, I'll show you a simple beginner plan you can follow. ClaudHub versus doing it manually. Manual ClaudHub, slow, fast, effort heavy, streamlined, free, paid, flexible, guided. So the question isn't, is it worth it? It's, will you actually use it? Pro, speeds up content creation, beginner friendly, helps with consistency, saves mental effort. Cons, doesn't guarantee income, still requires learning, can feel overwhelming, needs traffic source. Who should buy this? People serious about building income, beginners willing to learn, content creators, affiliate marketers. Who should not buy? Lazy mindset, push button money seekers, people who quit fast. Here's a simple plan. Day 1 to 3, learn basics. Day 4 to 7, create content. Week 2 plus, post daily. Month 1 plus, analyze plus improve. Most people never even reach week 2. ClaudHub is not the problem. Your expectations might be. If you use it properly, right pointing arrow, it can help. If you rely on it blindly, right pointing arrow, it won't work. If you decide to try ClaudHub, I've linked it below. And I've added bonuses that actually help you get results. AI prompts, beginner roadmap, content strategy. If you want real, honest breakdowns like this, subscribe. Because I don't sell dreams, I show systems that work.